Good morning and Merry Christmas, Southeast Idaho. This is your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, December 25th, 2018. Looking at the briefing highlights, what's expected ahead. Today we have impacts of low to moderate with a potential snow band developing this morning through the day. Right now we're calling for snow to fill in across the southern and eastern highlands. We do have some snow ongoing right now, but we're expecting a moderate band of snow to form later. 2 to 5 inches possible in general from Rockland through about Income and up through Palisades, and then across broader portions of the eastern highlands as well. So in general, we're expecting the 2 to 5 inches, but we'll look at the snow totals in a second. Wednesday, then, we're kind of in between systems, so impacts will be fairly limited. We will have snow tapering down across the eastern highlands in the morning, but shouldn't be too much in the way of travel impacts. Maybe a couple of slick spots still out there, but nothing major. And then further on out, we do have another system that arrives late Wednesday night into Thursday, and that could give us some light snow area-wide, but that'll hug central Idaho mostly, so that'll be talked about in the coming days. Looking at the satellite and radar picture, if I zoom out here, we can see kind of the system moving into Nevada. It's putting some clouds and snow in through Utah and eastern Idaho, and really there's not much that looks like on radar here, but if you take a look at a more sensitive radar image, you would see snow beginning to fill in a little bit across eastern Idaho. So this radar picture is a little bit deceiving, but we trust us, we do have some snow out there right now and some flakes flying, and many areas already received half an inch to an inch across the Snake Plain. So folks waking up could see snow on the ground already. So this is kind of what we're expecting to happen, although the forecast models haven't been doing so well with this system, but this is a simulation from one model. So basically in a couple hours we're going to see snow beginning to fill in. We're already starting to see that happen, but fill in a little bit more than what it is now. Stretching to noon again, snow will only increase across the Snake Plain, and then across the southern highlands as well, down by Malad, getting into Burley and Pocatello as well. Stepping forward a couple more hours, timing wise, we've got the band pretty much over the interstate corridors here from Burley to Pocatello up through Idaho Falls and even down towards Malad and then over to Soda Springs. And this is kind of the timing we're expecting the moderate snowfall to be. Should be the early to late afternoon hours. So again, keep an eye on radar today if you're traveling and for any changes that may occur, but that's kind of what we're thinking for timing. And then looking at later tonight, around midnight, snow showers are starting to taper down across the eastern highland areas, getting into Driggs through Palisades and even up towards Island Park. But the I-15 corridor, the I-84 corridor, and I-86 should be clearing by then. We still may have some slick spots, but travel would be much improved by that point. Looking at snow totals, if you tuned in yesterday, not much has changed in terms of snow totals. We're still looking at general 2 to 4 from, say, Malta up through south of Pocatello, and then stretching up towards the Driggs, Palisades area. So that's kind of, it shows you where we're expecting that band to kind of form. This could shift a little bit to the east as well, so Malad, Soda Springs, even Georgetown, getting into areas of Georgetown Summit, those areas could see several inches, which could make travel slick as well. So if you're out and about today, take precautions and prepare for slow go. Otherwise, we're expecting more improved conditions tomorrow. So That's the end of this briefing. Hope you have a Merry Christmas, and if you have any questions or anything, give us a call or drop us a line. Merry Christmas and have a safe holiday.